comment na papunta kayo sa ganung pathing, Gray, na talagang drama queens?
Ako po, ever since naman po, I've always been concerned with the work and story. Again, ako, my perspective, my personal perspective is, ako po isang actor lang just to serve the story of the writer and the story for the audience na may magbibigay po tayo na message and of course entertainment na sabay po. So, never ko po iisip yung celebrity life. I'm a very low-key person. Just like to spend time with my family more so. And again, yung pagiging artista, yung being on set, being with actors na napakagaling at napakatalino at ang dami yung matutunan. Yun po yung
ganda na comeback mo, Gray. Diba? Who do you owe it to?
I owe it, number one, to Dreamscape.
Napapa-English ako kasi Englishero lahat ito ha.
Dreamscape Production, of course, ABS-CBN, and Miss Kylie Manalo, kay Ate Carlina, of course, lahat po ng production natin sa Dreamscape. Si Ate Carlina po actually,
of course,
yung nag-meeting with me to pitch the show. At lahat po ng mga promises na sa akin natupad po.
And as you all know, talagang ikaw na yung decision na Sir the Great Day and
Tito Deo had our first meeting, kapag ko pa po. Tungkol dito sa Pamilya Sagrado, and nakikita ko po yung passion na talaga for this project na ito talaga yung baby yun with Miss Kylie. So sobrang thankful ka namin to the
of course. Before I give the microphone to Kyle and Kuya P, this explains the good news. May bagong laban, may bagong yugto. We'd like to please watch this.
Si Moises yung anak ng mister. Nagsakasaka ang mga tao. Ang kasalanan. Ay, may taklado! Huwi mo ang pumatay ng presidente! Ito, ang katotohanan sasabihin. Isa pumatay kay Ronan. Sinabsok ko si Presidente Elizal. Sa September 2. Kung sino man sa inyo makakita kay Malonzo, ipagbigay alam mo agad sa mga kanis. Masyado mo pinaprotektahan yung sistema.
Kaya na yung buhay na kasalanan ng anak mo.
Nagpasyon mo baba sa aking pwesto bilang inyong Pangulo. Nagsayang ko para maging presidente ang alaga mo. Nasaan mo na ko?
Ang magkaroon ng reunion, anak mo at ang nanay na hindi kayo.
Papangawihan ko. Mag-iiganti ako. Sagrado ang pamilya, pero mas sagrado ang batas.
Okay, we're officially announcing in this media forum that we are taking on another Midtimes Night Change po na magaganap starting tomorrow. We'll have Apiolo react on that and answer that. But before that, good! Diba? Taas. Thank you ha, alam na yun. We're always taking care of the promo. Kakatuwa kayo ni Kyle Sigli. Kyle, any comments?
tungkol po sa...
Ano nga yung tanong ko sa'yo, Green? Nakalimutan ko.
Drama Prince.
Ayun, that's drama Prince title. Kayo na yung next in line.
Siyempre po nakaka-pressure pero sobrang honored. I'm so honored to be called one of the next in line. Napakarami po mga napakagaling na artista sa ABS-CBN. At para sabihin ko na isa po ako dun, talagang nagpapasalamat po ako. I've been in this industry for 9 years and I've been a Dreamscape baby for 8 of those years. Siguro 9 or 8 of those years sila. And talagang si Sir Deo, hindi po ako pinabayaan. Hanggang dulo. Sa mga hindi ko nakakalam, finish ko sa akin ni Sir Deo itong show na to habang ginagawa ko pa lang po yung senior high. And talagang pre-issue na po ako. And one of my biggest goals was to make him proud. So, sana, nanonood po si Sir Deo sa akin ngayon at sana naging proud din po siya sa akin.
Speaking of Sir Deo, please watch this. Joke lang. Of course, joining us today before I introduce the lead actor, Ultimate, our creative head writer, Genesis Rodriguez, is also here. So, may mga kung kayo gusto ng tanongin, Genesis can really answer that. Kuya P, how does it feel mga barkada mo? Ano yung tanong? Hindi mo sila naman ako nakikita eh. How does it feel na kahit lang nakaka-mentor ka ng mga ganito? Ano ba papunta?
I don't want to call it mentorship because I'm still a student myself. You know, I'm still trying to learn, and I guess I will forever be a student in this industry. If I'm tasked to mentor the young ones, I would do it in such a way that I would show my authentic self, not trying to teach or let them learn from me the way I do it, because I also believe that each talent has their own distinct skill. So, nasa sa nila yun. I was telling right now, you just watch, but you know, you don't copy, and you also just be yourself. So sa akin, when I saw the two of them, and I saw the passion and the commitment, parang doon pa lang na bumabalik sa akin yung excitement sa trabaho. So I don't want to call it mentorship because parang makakali mas maganda na natututo tayo palagi sa mundo. Open tayo to learnings, just like what I said kanina. But it's of course, it's a privilege, you know. Pero yun lang sa akin, I'm just happy na I get to wrap up on their energy as well. Kasi yung commitment nila sa craft, yung passion, yun yung sa amin nag-fuel sa amin to always give it our best.
Okay, before we distribute the cast sa mga per table, ito lang gusto kong tanongin. Peach, umarap ka sa amin noon, hindi mo pa nakikita yung husay nila. Seeing the whole process of production taping, na nag-last taping din yata in a couple of days, ano yung na-discover mo talaga sa husay ng dalawang bata?
In all honesty, I've never been this invested in a show. You know, when I said,
You can feel.
tapos na ako sa soap, but when Tito Deo pitched this last year, and he said, this is a good project to have, you know, boses ka ng society, and you get to play a character na makasabi mo, not just challenging, pero milestone from my career as well. Pinanood ko siya from day one. You know, I'm so happy seeing not just their growth, but yung they owned it. Gray, hindi kami nag-uusap sa set, pero pag nag-date na, you know, he becomes my son. He becomes a character. Kami natuloy na may lead. Grabe yung energy. So, very authentic, very committed sa craft niya. And nakita ko talaga na bibigay na lahat. And with Kyle, it's the same thing. Hindi pa nagsisimula yung show. Ang maganda kay Kyle, he's very invested. So we became Moises. To the point na hindi mo na makikita si Kyle sa set. Parang siya si Moises.
So, ibang iba na yung Kyle?
So yesterday, when we did the last scene, kaming tatlo, si Gray nandun siya sa Putitan at 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock. Tapos sila nandun sa, hukay. Pero wala pa rin na-complain, you know? Yung talaga yung pangahawakan ko pag itong show. Kaya I'm just really proud that I became part of the show. And yun nga, halfway through, marami pang mangyayari. And marami pang bibigyan ng dalawang sobra.
Peach kasi tomorrow, September 2, officially, 3 kings are taking over ABS-CBN Prime Time. From Coco Martin, Jerry Rosales, and Piolo Pascual. Any comment on the time slot change?
Siyempre, nakakakilig yun. Nakita
I
ko
know,
naman
kasi
yung
mga
isa.
artworks na ginawa nila, oh.
Maraming salamat. Pero, in this industry, it's important for us to lift each other up, to boost each other, and to also be there to support each other's endeavors. So with Dreamscape and ABS-CBN, syempre may bagong show, may bagong tayong baby, may bagong tayong kailangan ilagaan. Batang Quiapo has always been there as a staple. And for us, it's a blessing because at least, ibang market naman yung matatouch namin. At the same time, yung Lavender Fields, makakatulong.
Ang ganda ng greetings. Congratulations, Paige, Gray, and Kyle.